Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restart Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 Pro. Okay, we have two methods how we can do it. First is a simple reboot using the power menu, and the second one is called the forced restart. I'm about to show you both methods. So let's begin with the normal reboot first. To perform it, we need to launch the power menu first. We do it by holding the power button and volume down button at the same time for like 1.5 seconds. So keep holding both buttons, just like that, until the menu appears. Now all you need to do is simply tap on restart. Now simply tap once again, and after that our device will be turned off, and after a few seconds it will be automatically turned on and it will be ready to use. That's when it comes to the normal reboot. When it comes to the forced restart, we also need to use the power key and volume down button, but this time we need to keep holding them for like simply until the screen turns off and until we see the Samsung logo. So let's perform that. We need to keep holding both buttons. It's going to take a little bit, so simply be patient and keep holding until you see Samsung logo. Alright. When Samsung logo appears, we can release our fingers, and now we just need to simply wait until the device turns on. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.